morning, class. How's everyone doing today?
Good.
Tired.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you're all here. Today we're going to talk about some history of Georgia. Did everyone do their reading? Yeah, we all did our reading. Okay. Good. So y'all ready?
Hello. Can you see me?
Yes, Kat, we can. Glad you could make it.
Sorry, I logged on to the wrong class.
You're okay. We all forget sometimes. Did you look at your schedule for today?
So funny story. I actually thought today was Thursday, but it's actually Wednesday. So I guess I'm just stupid.
You're not stupid. We all forget. We all mess up sometimes. Just a good idea is to look at your schedule every morning. And then if you don't know what day it is for sure, ask someone. Going over it at night is good too. That can help you really get into the mindset of what's going to happen tomorrow.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. So today we're going to talk about the founding of Georgia. So who can tell me who founded Georgia? Okay, so Alanis, can you tell me who founded Georgia?
George Washington?
No, not quite. I guess we lost Anna. So did you do your reading, Alanis?
Nah.
Okay. So who can help Alanis? Did anyone read for today? All right, guys, we need to treat this just like it's regular class. I know it's super different, but being prepared for this class is super important because it keeps us from having to take time out to do lectures. I know you don't really enjoy that, but I was going to play some games today, but we'll have to talk about the information first. So, the colony of Georgia was founded in 1733 by James Oglethorpe in Savannah. The colony was founded as a military colony in case the Spanish in Florida attacked. Kat, are you paying attention?
Absolutely.
Okay, so why was the state of Georgia founded?
That's a great question, Mr. J. I have no idea.
Yeah. So same rules apply as I do in class. We need to pay attention. So that means no phones, no being on the internet, playing Facebook or games, and no watching TV. I know it can be super tempting, but we got to stay tuned in so we can finish up early and play those fun games I planned. So who can tell Kat? Alanis, we can't hear you. I think you're on mute. Down there in the left-hand corner. Yeah, left corner. Okay, now we've lost your video. So hit the video button again in this corner, and then press the one next to it with the microphone. Okay, so we're running out of time, so we're gonna have to keep going. But let us know when you're back on. Kat, so since we have to worry about the technology issues, we're gonna have to keep going because we're running out of time. So if y'all could just become comfortable with the platform before class, so I don't have to take that time, that'd be great. So the state of Georgia was one of the 13 colonies of Great Britain. They went to war with Great Britain after signing the Declaration of Independence, and the war was called the Revolutionary War. Hey, Leela, are you still with us? Looks like you're asleep.
Yeah, sorry. I'm just really comfortable.
You look comfortable. That chair looks real nice, and that robe looks like it's comfy.
Yeah, I woke up late and I just kind of threw it on.
Yeah. So if you're having trouble getting ready for a class and like getting up and getting not getting so comfortable that you're just, oh, there goes Kat. But just remember to set out your clothes at night. It's really helpful. Then you save some time and you won't be so anxious in the morning to get things done. Also, sitting in a straight back chair can keep you better prepared for class. So anyway, but so Georgia was a part of the Revolutionary War. It didn't really have that much going on, but it started because a gun warehouse was blown up. Most of the battles were fought up in the north, but there was one, and it was called the Battle of Kettle Creek. That was our biggest one in Georgia. Kat, you keep leaving the screen. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. So I just had to go to the bathroom, but then I was close to the kitchen, so I thought I might as well get some water. And then when I came back, I had left my pencil in the bathroom, but it's okay because now I found this pen.
Well, that's good. I can tell they have a lot of energy today, so just try to remember to stay seated just like your ed class. I know that you're at home and there's distractions, but staying seated is really important so you don't miss any content. And I don't have any content. And Kat, I need you to sit down, please. But so you got to stay seated so we can continue. So I can't afford the time right now to go back over what you missed, but just look in your book and email me if you have any questions. Okay. So Georgia was founded in Savannah. It is an island area with Tybee, Tuolumne, Wilmington, and Whitmarsh Islands. Glad you could join us, Anna.
Sorry, Mr. J, my computer died and I couldn't find my charger. What did I miss?
So I don't have enough time to go over what you missed, but just go over in the book. So that's all I can tell you to do. But try to keep your charger where you keep your laptop with all your other things for class, so that way you don't running around the house looking for it. It's really important to have it charged for class so we can actually, do class today. But I understand. But we are running out of time today, so I want you guys for homework to read pages 82 through 91. It's very important for tomorrow. I don't see anyone writing it down. That's a really good idea to put it in their calendar or in an agenda or somewhere on your computer. It's really good to be prepared for class, and that would be a good way to remember. So we'll try this again tomorrow, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.